What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, you know what I'm saying? Welcome back to Alpha Reacts to K-pop. And today, what we have here today is we have V from BTS. We have Rainy Days official music video.
We appreciate everybody getting us to 2K subs too. We gotta say shout out to that. We do appreciate y'all and all the comments. You know what I'm saying? We are reading them each and every day. We're trying to go like all the way down, y'all. Like we're really trying to like really react to everything, but y'all commenting so much, it's like it's hard for us to just like to do everything. So just know we working with y'all, yo. We looking at it, okay? We looking at it.
I'm reading every last single comment, trying to get to every last single one. I'm reading every last single one, every last
single what?
Single one.
Make sure you like, subscribe button. Make sure you follow out the social medias and our TikTok. Gonna be at the bottom. Also, her Instagram is gonna be at the bottom in the description as well. And without further ado, get your snacks and popcorn. Let's get it.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like.
So far, like basically saying like when it be raining outside, he be chilling and shit. He be thinking about Shawty. He be like, man, you look, we all men. We understand how, you know, the saying this shit go when you fall wise think about a female, especially a specific one. You know what I'm saying? So it's like niggas they just trying to get to it, bro. You know what I'm saying? So.
You know what I'm saying? Or people just be trying to have company.
Yeah, just trying to have company, bro.
Like me, when rainy days come around, I'm out.
I'm asleep. I'm fucking knocked out, nigga. Rainy days is night time, nigga.
Right.
That's like the human nature version of NyQuil.
Staring at my phone, a cage, hoping for your call lately. I've been on my own, maybe. 이젠 지난 일을 만나. Time with you was so amazing. Haven't changed, I'm still the same. 늦었지만 우리 다시. Can we go back to the moment again? Yeah, rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like.
It remind me of them 90 songs. I mean the 90 shows.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도 Let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over. We can start it over. 너는 나의 내 clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch. I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like.
I most likely say I give it a 10 out of 10. It was like really good. You know what I'm saying? The album, well, the song is really good. It's about missing somebody.
I didn't know V was like more so like I didn't know he was like I didn't know he could slow it down like that. Like personally, like I did not know he can actually like just slow it down to that point. And it's like, it's English in it too, so it's like you can kind of understand it more, you know what I'm saying?
There's one song he made, but I'm trying to tell you.
What?
How you addicted.
Addicted?
Yes.
Solo?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. Alright, so for this one, what you give it rating?
I told you 10 out of 10.
10. I give it a 10 out of 10 too, though, right? Shout out to V.
And I love Rainy Days.
Yeah, Rainy Days is, that joint, it's like, I feel like this is a Smokey song, though. I ain't gonna lie. This is one of those chill, laid back James, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I really give it a 10 out of 10, though, bro. Y'all put y'all ratings in the comment, what y'all think in the comments, though, too, and what y'all think we should react to next. And also, make sure you go follow her Instagram and our TikToks below, you know what I'm saying, like that. And without further ado, you know.